Wagwan ENT.
Selassie, all the man has a well-time coming at this.
Yes, Redman, money large. Junglist, load up the magazine and let out quarter dozen no types of me now.
Rifle style. Magazine empty.
You see it, and that's the me no like lend man my gun, you know. Tell the man the quarter dozen man empty the magazine. Lord, no special request to Jacqueline and the statement party. Large and Jinx, no boom up the chart. Special request to the man called Scott. Saying, well hear me, after me come from work, feel my shop. The way how me thirsty, me I walk and eat up. Me get some water, then add some syrup. And then me drink it out of one old rusty cup. Me eat a egg sandwich with full and catch up. Me look through the window of the soul, me stomach. Now me brand new car pass man a tow truck. Me run outside to get the put on me shutter. Me never stop run until the truck me catch up. And then me tell it, jack it up. Jack it up, rivet. Special request to our Dunkirkites, our junglers. No respect to our Pielanites. Charlie Punk, Sickle, Statement, Glamour, Saga, Metro Classic, 10 Cat, 1 a penny, Sickle. And they are saying, rivet. After me come from work, feel my shop. The way how me thirsty, me a walk and eat up. Me catch some water, then add some syrup. And then me drink it out of one old rusty cup. Me eat a egg sandwich with full and catch up. Me look through the window of the old Mr. Muck. Now me brand new car pass spanner to a truck. Me run outside to get the put on me shut. Me never stop run until the truck me catch up. And then me tell the driver the all and pull up. So hear me now. Take off me car and fire damn to a truck, boy. Take off me car and fire damn to a truck. You don't take it off, you're going to meet bad luck. Cause some part of you just might get broke. Yes, me fire it well tough and me will kill you with buck. Send you gonna hospital, see a line, you a suck lad. Take off me car and fire damn to a truck. Take off me car and fire damn to a truck. Hey, take off me car and fire damn to a truck. Lord, him think him did bad. Him never hesitate. Right away him draw up emergency brake. But Jaja know said that was him first mistake. Cause enough in me waist was me chrome 3/8. Me drive out of the truck and then me box in 9 face. 11 teeth scatter who over the place. Chop people on the road, I said that what a disgrace. We see you the damn big man of your chase, lad. Take off me car and fire damn to a galang, hey. Sickle music, sickle, saying, hey, take out me car and fire damn to a truck. Just look on you who a tour with me car. Anytime you smile, I see your teeth from far. Some are it green, some black like tar. Due to the nicotine from your stinking cigar. Him not like when me say, I'm gonna call him spar. Drinking rum in our nearby bar. Me broke a beer back full in friend face a scar. Swear to God, say me a start a world war. But you will jacket me selector. Where the man say Johnny Ringo?
Ribbit Uncle Scene, Sickle. Now dreadlocks, here it comes all over. Special request on Popular Demand Scene. So the Sickle, the Apache as a selector. Stiddly die-do, Gemini will make you bad so. Stiddly die-do, Jimmy are the best in any contest. Daddy Jimmy are the best. All of the sound have to be I'm on guess. Cause Daddy Jimmy are the best in any contest. Special request and Popular Demand to the man called Donald, the man called Gregory, and the Brook Valley Height Scene. So the Sickle, Foxy, and the Glamour, the Soul and Tight. Now special request to the man called General Screechy. Long with an apprentice, the man called James Bond. Now dreadlocks, Jimmy are the best in any contest. Cause Daddy Jimmy are the best. All other son have to be I'm on guess. Cause Daddy Jimmy are the best in the east and the west. By Popular Demand and special request. Say that me throw it to your chest. Lord, collect the rain from the sun. I said the bullet from a gun. Papa Gemini come for mash them down. My skin is black, wealth and iris brown. We weigh about 165 pounds. We are the best in any contest. Cause Daddy Jimmy are the best. All of the sound have to be I'm on case. By Popular Demand and special request. Lord, Jimmy are the best in the east and the west. By Popular Demand and special request. See that me throw it to your chest. Galang, 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 like the ray from the sun, the bullet from a gun. I and I coffee mash it, then me go home. My skin is very black, well, tan iris brown. Me weigh about 165 pounds. Mash we coffee, mash it up, and then we go home. Only superstar be chatting on microphone. The other rest of them people spell so cold. La 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 la. Second, Jimmy are the best in a any contest. Kadadi Jimmy are the biggest. All of the sound have to be I'm on guess. Lord, either we bad like a tiger. We are the hill and gully rider. Come me say either we bad like a tiger. We are the hill and gully rider. Ringo Honda, strictly sensimania. Lick it in split and also chalwa. Lord, said I murder me charge for. Daddy Jimmy are the best in a any contest. Now dreadlocks, second scene. Cause right now second we are deal with. Now here comes the man called Colonel Campbell, played on the Gemini turntable to set a much better example. A real exclusive thing, the man called Charles the Apache Jaffa. Why me I tell you say uncle you get broad. Why you talk up me selector? Why you talk up me selector? A special request to all who come from Toronto. Special request to the man called Spliffman, man called Albert, as the undergarden. Second Macca, Paul Burke.
Just couldn't be that way. You'll never ever reach if you don't try it. Instead you keep on telling on those dreadful lies. Just wait and see how things will be when I am free. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, 'cause I will never let go. I always try. I've got so much soul. You wonder why? It's just because I'm so true. You'll be feeling blue when I get through. There's nothing you can do. I know, and I know I could.
All I'm put selector. Sebi, you want to buy badness at the bar. Scene. Well, I'm gonna go in our style before Johnny Ringo get the latest move. Imagine crowd of people. Boy, I'm gonna show you say big Valentine's Day. Big Valentine's Day. Well, tonight we take up the star. Up on the headline, guess what me say? 8 men caught having sex in a little theater. Rudeness them thing the boss, Jano. And a slackness me I try to tell us reality. Go down night Prince Charles. Call them style our education to the nation. See? Imagine a thing like that, big Valentine's Day, when man should have make love with woman, them catch 8 man and rudeness over little theater. Yeah. Say what a sight, batty man get right. What a sight, batty man get right. They come out of the darkness and come in at the light. They come out of the darkness and come in at the light. You chat to one of them, Lord, him one broke fight. The whole of them a go with pure long knife. What a sight, batty boy get right. What a sight, batty boy get right. Well, if you hate batty boy, say forward. Jack it up, me selector. I rev it. Man, I show you printer, galang, scene, land, second, junglist, no school and see the black them, scene, cause you know you're not yet. What a sight, party boy get right. What a sight, party boy get right. They come out of the darkness and come in at the light. You chat to one of them, lad, them one broke fight. The one of them mama go with pure long knife. It was not 4, it was not 5. Jaman, it was 8 just to be precise. Lord of mercy, boy, but you go on somewhere. No fling on me selector, cause we not going on with him too much time. See? Boy, Johnny Ringo, I know say when you come back, you know, boss. But you must control the most signal in Jamaica, you know. Cool, no?
And I go rule legal business, you know, cause We not deal with a little small island alone, you know. We are going big Australia and them places seen. Special request to Juicy. Now check it up, uncle. Special request to all your front eagles them seen. Like Maxine, Violet, Stucky Dreadlock, Wizzy. Seen. Man like Bobby, Solomon Clarks, Sister called Pauline, Second. Cause every man want a higgler. Cause every man want a higgler. Cause every man want a higgler. Well, uncle, last night I voiced a tune and it soon come a road. Sly and Robbie lick down the answer for me, uncle. So special request to Wayne Skivan, Chinaman, Flash to Christmas Volvo in New York City, 90s Posse Second. Scene. Special request to the man called Teddy as the gate man. Every man want a higgler. Cause every man want a higgler. Cause every man want a higgler. Cause every man want a higgler, Lord. Higgler move, the most sensible move, higgler move. So get in at the groove, higgler move. A sensible move, higgler move. So get in at the groove. Me have the latest clocks and gentleman boot. Expensive beavers and lead jumpsuit. Me sell bikini and granny panty. The latest smuggle booty come from Italy. Me have things for the young, middle-aged and elderly. That is to show you I'm man not choosy. White collar shirt and all wool skirt. Fancy track suit and fancy track shoe. Samokan and Rana, even to jacket up uncle. Second. Special request to one of Penny Posse scene. So second.
Special request to Art Security, Brown Stories and Mortgage Second scene.
Brook Valley, Ulano, Dunkirk is large. Charlie Punk, Second Palber, Weeble. Lord. Special request to the boom man. Bang diddly da 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 do do ho. Bang diddly da 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 hi, Lord. Higgler move, the more sensible move, higgler move. So get in at the groove, higgler move. A sensible move, higgler move. So get in at the groove. I'm going to go to Panama, Curacao and Cayman, New York City, Canada and England. When me come back, a pure war on the land. A cool run is me no only immigration. Jack up me selector, lad. Where is Uncle Sean? Said style who want them in no kawa. You see glass, well it's large scene. Me love how to make man a trash in the scene. Jack it up. Right now it's a Samokan. Samokan always down an arcade, you know. And I tell enough girl about him have style, you know. And it's a style of panther boat, you know. Scene Samokan. Second, lick off uncle.
Rasta, this is a small gun, this is a larger gun. 60.
Yes, me, I'm 16. The ever crank. Lord, special request to Juicy, ruling arcade. Every man want a higgler. Cause every man want a higgler. Cause every man want a higgler. Cause every man want a higgler, Lord. I'm going to take Jamaican dollars, buy some US. Me go to foreign, buy nothing but the best. In a business of me money invest. Me walk overtime, still last know me not go rest. I'm going to go to Panama, Curacao and Cayman, New York City, Canada and England. But when me come back, a pure war is on the land. A cool run is me no only immigration. Higgler move. A sensible move, higgler move. So get in at the groove. Me have the latest clocks and gentleman boot. Expensive beavers and lead jumpsuit. Me sell bikini and granny panty. The latest muggle booty come from Italy. Me have things for the young, middle age and elderly. That is to show you I'm man not choosy. white collar shirt and all wool skirt. Me sell track suit and fancy track shoe. Samokan and Rano, even things to help your screw like Spanish fly, China brush, stud 100. Me Christian customer seat and then him drop dead. Igla move, a sensible move. Why you talk up me selector? Why you talk up me selector? Second, special request to the man called, I wish man that Trenchtown as the pimp, seen ever have drugs.
No, I'll pull up Charles and hold it around there. Early B said him a go join the army, but boy me join the army and left it already. See, Squiddly said him a go join the police force. Well, me and brother our boss, me a go join the eradication. Fling it down Indian. This are my latest lyrics, only 2 days old. Seeing special request to Brown, Storage, Morgan and Art Security. The school for Minott tough, they kind of come cook up the move then. Seeing no the one a brand new, so Patty and Patty statement, taking them style like you know we large and thing. Hey, galanga langa, galanga langa lang. Hey, galanga langa, galanga langa langa. No DJ them a talk about them a lyrics bantan, but a big nose burrow. Them get that from, cause them lack intelligence and education. The one like them a talk inside a session. You never yet hear them read an invitation. Well, that what style. Now here comes fashion. Me a go join eradication. Wait and I go join eradication, lad. Come here, go join eradication, la 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 la. Me I go join eradication, lad. Because on my way going up to Barbican, me buck up in a rental full of gunman with M16, Bushmaster and M1. One ask me where me name, me tell him well done. Him say don't is you did do the army song, me say yes and so what it even go number 1. Him say boy you must be rich, give me 1,000. Me say boy go suck you mama where me fi get money from. Him say guy you mother judge so to gunman, so him put me na me head, kick me in me bottom, put me face in dark shit and say boy start nyam. Me wax it off clean like jack it up. Me tell the printer we no ramp with lyrics saying them side like all eradication. Me show you say sick crowd of people. Only 2 days old. Me show you say we no ramp. Boy early be say me go join the army, Squiddly go join the police force. But boy I just one intention. Galanga langa langa lang, hey, galanga langa, galanga langa lang. Say who a selector? It is the Indiana. No DJ them a talk about them a lyrics bantan. No DJ them a talk about them a lyrics bantan. But a big nose burrow, them get that from. Cause them lack intelligence and education. The one like them a DJ inside a session. You never yet hear them read an invitation. Well that what style. Now here comes fashion. Me a go join eradication. Me a go join eradication, lad. Say me a go join eradication, la 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 la. Come here go join eradication, lad. Because on my way going up to Barbican, me buck up in a rental full of gunman with M16, Bushmaster and M1. One ask me where me name, me tell him well done. Him say don't it you did do the army song. Me say yes and so what it even reach number 1. Him say boy you must be rich, give me 1,000. Me say go suck your mama where me fi get money from. He's above the turntable, see he's above the turntable. Lord, so when the start. So him buck me in me head, kick me in me bottom, push me face in dark shit and say boy start nyam. Me wax it off clean like starfish and yellow yam. From that day I get a wicked intention to seek and destroy all gunman. Me saw me went home and wash me face and me hand, Lord. Wash up me foot in and me mother wash pan and drink some green tea out of a butter can. And true me never out no farmer transportation. Me reach bus stop flag down minivan, cause Spanish Town Road my destination, cause that's the headquarters of eradication. The first man me buck was Detective Graham. Him say what can I do for you young man? I tell him that I come to join eradication. Him say since you want to be a policeman, why the rest you don't go to a police station? Me say listen to me good and I want you understand. Me now go Port Royal go train so long, and after me sweat and get me graduation. Who no fling me go a bush, we down a Westmoreland. We go in a go hills, terrorize gunman. Me prefer Tana Kingston, I'm a Kingstonian. I'm a go with 16 and M1. I lick more shot like in the West was one. And fire more shot than the boy James Bond. Me have to join eradication. Come on, me have to join eradication. Hear the boys me now, no? Hey. Well done, why are you acting so strange? Say come and try you out from the firing range. I'm not joking, did I make? And don't fret him, did I fret? Him take a big key and open up a cabinet. The way how me frighten, me body get warm. The first me ever see so much different firearms. So me push in me hand and take out a gun. The gun me take out was a 4-4 Magnum. Me run out on the field, then me dive on the ground. Me sight a green lizard and shoot off in tongue. And what I do next make a sergeant cry. Me shoot out the wings from a jingy fly. When the sergeant see well turn a fire shot, him shake off me hands for 4 hours non-stop. Wait a minute, Melatoffy.
Well, hold it there, Charles. Hold it there. Well, Ringo, I hear you talking about Higgler move. But Higgler, you know say you can't sell, you know. I know say you can't sell for hungry belly, you know. Saying, well, second, no prescription to Brigadier Jerry and you Brown. Well, Dread, them style here. Them style here. Produced by the man called Gemini, saying, Part 5, saying, I so can't get them style, I don't second. Saying, Higgler, no can't sit down and sell for hungry belly. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Cooking move, say do the cooking move, say do the cooking move, Jack it up, sin. I ride him for back up, sin, Dread. Sin, sure. Second. Stand out in lay da whoa. Stand bang the link. Whoa. Lord. Whoa. Eh. Cooking move. Say do the cooking move. Say do the cooking move. Hey, Jacqueline, me say put on the pot. Peel the young man, put in the pot. Need the flour and put in the pot. I make the saltfish just a bubble pan top. I make the ackee just a bubble pan top. Say ackee, dumpling and saltfish. You know say this a menu what the national dish. Cooking move. Say do the cooking move. Yes, Dread, well second. Say cooking move. Say do the cooking move. Do the cooking move. Do the cooking move. In the morning before me go to work, get an egg sandwich and a cup of tea. Can't go to work with hungry belly. Cooking move. Do the cooking move. Do the cooking move. You can't shoulder move from hungry belly. You can't body move from hungry belly. You can't hula hoop from hungry belly. You can't hula hoop from hungry belly. The people want the style where we pull them belly. Cooking move. Do the cooking move. Say do the cooking move. Jack up my selector. That's what them style is seen. Don't second Dread, sing. Well, you come a man called Michael Palmer, sing, for the first time around. Woo! The man called Crucial Michael Palmer. A look at thing called Lazy Girl, sing.
Lazy girl.
Yes, Dread.
Lazy girl. You lazy girl. Give me the girl that is the working one. Give me the girl that is the working one.
Come in, Michael Palmer live.
Girl. I don't want no lazy girl.
Yeah.
Lazy girl can wash my clothes. Lazy girl can cook my food. I want a girl to be my
Request to the man called Paul and Bonnie from Arcade.
To mash up my life. So give me the girl that is the working one. Give me the girl that is the working one. I don't want no lazy girl. Don't want no lazy girl. Early morning she dip on sidewalk.
Yeah.
All she a do what people business she a talk.
Request to the man called Yo Brown and Brigadier Jerry.
Along with a man called Dillinger, second.
The working girl. The working girl.
Then Michael Palmer, yeah, boom, Jay.
Give me the girl that is the working one. I don't want a lazy girl. I don't want a lazy girl. I want a girl to be my wife, and not a girl to mash up my life. Give me the girl. Give me the girl.
Cool up your ranking.
Give me the girl.
Yeah.
Who is progressive? Who is progressive? Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Give me the girl you keep on. Give me the relative. You lazy girl, you have to mash up tonight.
Yes, Jay.
Lazy girl, you mash up
Michael Palmer
tonight.
coming from Sing It Live and Direct.
Why? 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 Give me the girl that is the working one. Give me the girl that is the working one. I don't want a lazy girl. I don't want a lazy girl. Lazy girl can wash my clothes.
Yes, Jay, the man called Michael Palmer selection. Where you come, the man called Michael Palmer live and direct. Yeah.
Request to the man to the Glamour Posse, One a Penny, Statement, Charles the Operator, Jimmy the Boss, I'm producing style. I've seen Jat Thomas, thing we no see, you know, cool no? Gabby the second scene, Shuffler. Demolition, me have to get flat. Down in my hometown, bad boys them joke me down, rob me and beat me bad. Me have to turn to me master, got them a lick shot. Me have to get flat, them a lick shot. Me have to get flat. Tell the police them no response for that. Them say me a idiot. I've got to put a stoppage to that, cause I'm no idiot. Them a lick shot. Me have to get flat. Them a lick shot. Me have to get flat. In my community, respect is due to me, but them the boy have no courtesy. That's why them tackle me, them a lick shot. Me have to get flat. Them a lick shot. Me have to get flat. Them a lick shot. Them a lick shot. Me have to get flat. Tell the police them no response for that. Them say me a idiot. I've got to put a stoppage to that, cause I'm no aristocrat. Them a lick shot. Them a lick shot. Me have to get flat. Down in my hometown, bad boys them joke me down, rob me and bought me bad. Me have to turn to me master, got them a lick shot. Me have to get flat. Me have to get flat, cause them a lick shot. Them a lick shot. Whoa, yeah. The boys them a lick shot. Them a lick shot.
Yes, Michael Palmer.
John, no youth like you should live in California. Well now, Dread, enough youth not a dance to read 20. So them good not even understand the history of the island scene. Them style are out of reach. Pastor man, their church a preach. They let them come a dance, come teach. Yeah. Woo! Baling, balang, bade. Hey, balang, baling, balang, bale. La, balang, balang, baling, baling. Lord, stadang, darling, darling, darling. It's a long time ago in the country of Spain, where King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella did a reign. Say Christopher Columbus will learn him name. I sail for the land for the king just for claim. Jump in a one ship and him sail to the west. Say where him did a go nobody could not guess. But when him sight up Jamaica for rest, him say this a discovery, it's a the best. In land a one pint, me say down a Santana. Say discovery day, me say that he name from the first people, the Arawak in the hand. And them man, the Spaniards start shake on. They never know the Spaniards did have one plan. They treat them like an animal and not human. 1655 England capture the land. And then them start the sugar plantation. And when them sites say the cane it fi grow, they send back to Africa go get some Negro. And some from Gold Coast, some from Congo. And so we get Nanny and Kojo. Lord become the national hero. And then them fight them rebellion. Say one a St. Thomas, me say one a Westmoreland. Say look from Paul Bogle, Jah know him get hung. This are the history of the island, Lord. This are the history of the island. Cause me say King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella, them get that, them man where them call Christopher. Along with Christopher, some good sailor. And give them ship figure chad water. Like the 9 of the Pint of the Santa Maria. 1492 when the Spaniard come here. Say when them come the Arawak dead there. Used to eat up the lizard when them the guana. And sail in canoe set down the river. And plant up yam and banana. And plant up cocoa and the ginger. And plant up dasheen and cassava. Look for Marcus Garvey the Messiah. Born 1887 son of a papa. I think history of the island, Lord. Them style.
Dreadlocks. Selassie I know. Selassie I know. Dedicated to all the jungle scene. Circle. Come in Melotoffee. Come in Melotoffee scene. Yes I. Selassie I know. Selassie I know Dreadlocks. Dedicated to all the massive scene. Special request to the man called Jonah the Foreigner. Wady. Yes, Welton Irie. Yes, I. Selassie I know. Come in, Melotoffee. Come in. Scene.
Yes, Dread. Badness not piercing. I want a man know that, you know. Well, you come a man called Michael Palmer. The make a thing called Runaway Soldier. Yeah. Runaway Soldier. Me no love that. Some man get too much requests to dance, so them get brand. I am a runaway soldier. I don't check for commander. I am a runaway soldier. I don't check for commander. Me not take no order from no bucky master. True, you are top ranking. You want me bow and salute, but me no join your policy. You better go on and leave me. Look at me, woman, I'm thinking. So hell, you want me bow and salute? What? I am a runaway soldier. I don't check for commander. I am a runaway soldier. I don't check for commander. Not you, you see me so simple. I set my own example. Just by the way I profile. Them send me to a style. Michael Palmer play by all the Gemini sound alone. Psycho. Yeah. Them can't take me tempo. but so it have to go.
Jeng, you want it right now, Pierre.
You want me go once alone. Why? Run away soldier. Me no joke a soldier. Me no look a soldier. Run away soldier. Me don't have no partner. I am a one-away soldier.
Jen, you want
I don't
it.
check for commander.
I chose
I
stand.
am a one-away soldier. I don't check for commander. Just to them seem so simple. I set my own example. Just by the way I profile. Them send me too hostile. Them can't take me tempo. Them say that me psycho. But so it have to go. So they want me go once alone. Whoa. I am a one-away soldier. I don't check for commander. I am a one-away soldier. I don't check for commander. Me not get no order from no fucking master. True, you are top ranking. You want me to once alone, but me no join your
Yes,
fancy.
Joel. Well, a big request to the man called Ringo who a fly out. Australia, I'm go sing. Well, it's Michael Palmer who want to live, you know. Yeah. Check her. Yeah, I'm a one-away child. Drop it in a one-away style. I'm a one-away child. Me I drop it in a one-away style. Cause when me was a youth and me rest a 3 mile, me full me father gas tank a cursing aisle. Him beat up me mother said that she make me spoil. Cause whether alligator or a whether crocodile, you know say that the whole of them still a reptile. And down in Africa are where you find River Nile. Me bill for me house out a block and tile. Me girlfriend pregnant, she give me a boil. And enough for me billy when me carry for me Kyle. Say what a DJ Lord full up a style. Look on me face so we full of a smile. Shot me machete and me shot me with file. So I'm a one-away child. Just a drop it in a one-away style. I'm a one-away child, Lord. Just a drop it in a one-away style. God them a style really wicked and a while. So when me was a youth and me rest a 3 mile, full me father gas tank a curse in aisle. Beat up me mother said that she make me spoil. Whether alligator or a whether crocodile, you know say that the whole of them still a reptile. Said I'm a one-away child, Joel. I drop it in a one-away style. Oh! Said I'm a one-away child. Rabbit. The man like the Michael Palmer. Sing. Michael Palmer, Chris Biscuit, Scene Dread. Played by only Gemini alone. Still get the man like Michael Palmer showcase. Sing.
A gal take man, you know. A gal take man, you know.
I'm a selection.
Badness know what it will get you nowhere. So if you don't care, you reach nowhere. You coming down with down to just drink a cold beer long and short.
Danny from Red Hills, wanted by Pinnock outside. Welcome in Michael Palmer, live and direct. Sing.
Cool no Crossroad, Passage, Juki Shine, Beanie, Mutty Jr. and others. Seckle.
Gal take man, you know.
Glamour Passage, Seckle scene. Cause girl, you know you're big. Shuffle you're
You
bigger.
can't say me never want you.
Let me beg you. Alright. You coulda run till you can't run no more. It is a long run, short catch. Yeah. You coulda hide till you can't hide no more. It's still a long run shot catch. Boy, you can't say me never did warn you. You can't say me never did beseech to you. After you come from country in your country truck, tell me say that you a look a little walk. Unfortunately, you don't get no walk. You pick up a gun and you start with your jug long and shot catch. Boy, you coulda run till you can't run no more. Long run shot catch. Long run shot catch. You coulda hide till you really can't hide no more. You a go run till your foot sore. Yeah. Long run shot catch.
On this Saturday, Chisholm Avenue, the sound called Gemini. What I'm styling a lot, said Sprouty, you're big enough. Yes, reggae bop. We think call the cowboy in a different style, boogie said. Hey Andy Murphy, you come with a cowboy boogie. What's the cool boogie yagi? Lord, we're going to give them in a cowboy style, eh? We're going to give them in a cowboy style. While we're going to give them in a cowboy style, Lord, we're going to give them in a cowboy style, Lord. It name Bogo Yagi, Lord. Bogo Yagi, name Bogo Yagi, eh? Oh why Lord, me just flash it in a dancehall style. Hey, it name Bogo Yagi, the cowboy style. Lord, Bogo Yagi, a cowboy style. It name down in the year 1963. Me mama did live down in a Texas city. But now that I know this white John Wayne, shoot my mommy and shoot my daddy. He killed my sister and my bigger brother. Say from that day I've been a bounty hunter. So I get a Winchester, get a silver dollar. I know sort of a set in all styles. When a ratings be inside, sheriff come in. Lord, to your side, Lord, they want John Wayne. Him say, it is a shame, him a shoot up the lane. You shoulda hear the gunshot just a tear down the lane. Lord, cowboy boogie, it name cowboy boogie. Hey, cowboy boogie, it name cowboy boogie. Say this man, if I me say, want to trade. The last of the money, me say, re early. Me wait up me beg and flash it in a style. I go into the Caribbean theater it name cowboy boogie it name cowboy boogie. Lord have mercy. Will you call Papa Dime say in a style?
Yes, Kuro. Well, you see, Lala Beckles dance style, the 30th. Boy, you want to see him cancel the land, you know. You wish part it, you know, in a Virgo HQ, see? So make that a date and don't be late. The sound like Metro Media along with a Fortune. I want murderer dance start. Lala Beckles, hold on tight, see? Dedicate them style to the man called Lala Beckles and the cat called Sharon, the baby mother, see? Right? Chilego, get yourself in line. See? We'll dedicate them style here to the man called Bubble and Jaja, call them man the large every time. Charles Apache Indian Sickle. Lord, awa da 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 do ho, awa da 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 do ho. Man called Welton Irie, the cassette fly, see? So just tune in here. Right, hey, awa da 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 do ho, hey, awa da 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 do ho. Chimama ku, mama sa, mama makusa. Chimama ku, mama sa, mama makakusa. Along with Papa and the mic center. Say this a DJ, him and the roots and culture. Me flash it in a England, me flash it in a B, me flash it in a C, all kind of style. The mamla ku, mamla sa, mamla makusa. Chimamla ku, mamla sa, mamla makakusa. Come and say three man in the club, the barak, the rubber dubber, the pusher, the teacher and the candy sticker maker. Every nickel make a buckle, every buckle make a nickel. You know me and that the girl will make a good couple. Mama say, mama sa, mama makusa. Chibamba say, mama sa, mama makakusa. Come and sell them with daddy dance, band the roots and culture. Me flash it in a England, me flash it in a B, me flash it in a C, all kind of style. The queen they are England, she a hear about me. She say, Papa dance, you intelligence. Mom
la cool, babla sang, babla bakusa, badadai, badadada. Joke it, Jesus Christ. Pull it up, my selector car. I and I feel the vibe saying. Well, the second, I and I still approaching to the man called Michael Palmer selection. The big thing called Smoke the Weed. But no bother Bonwa, the seed, second. Michael Palmer, you big every time, you know. Statement passe, simpleton. Get to yourself in the line now, you know. Right? Play by the song called Gemini Discotheque. Pirate, watch on the step, Papa Dance, I go let off lyrics and on for 84. Sin. Dedicate them style to all Spangler, sin. And dedicate them style to 110 Arcade, sin. Along with the man like Screw, the man called Josie and the man the large every time. Well, the second sin. You want to say? We have all an entertainer here too, you know, the man called Barry G. Jr. The way I said that.
Some say Cali.
Ow.
Some say Sensi. But this your time.
I go send Daddy Arch in New York City. I go send Daddy Arch in New York City. Daddy Charles in Nero and Gemini Disco. Hey, in the meantime, I want to say a special light to Daddy Country and also Daddy Ever, Daddy Cole, Papa Man so easy from French Blown Passe. Hey, in the meantime, New York City Passe, you want to hold tight. Daddy Charles gonna jam this one. Send some in the Passe. Daddy Pang, I want you to hold this one. Ow! Trouble. To get to understand, and the child of giving, Bargy sending reward for me, Bargy too. What a style. Gemini in Gemini HQ. Daddy Charles engineer. Trouble. Ow! My journey, Daddy Charles, you take it from the top another time. In the meantime, Little Rocks, Michael Palmer to cheer this one. Hey, what a live injection.
Second, Bargy. Big number lean boot. Request to the crossroads, Martin Sin. Mallet second. One a penny. Everybody, Johnny Ashley, second scene. Getting big. Jatamasa, your stylist. Let off.
Smoke the weed.
No, you love. Is that one that we are going to know? Certain death. And Bargy Allen police.
Cause if you smoke the seed, you're going to kill the breed. Hey.
Boy. Yeah. Just cool now. You think me no see you no? Hey. Just cool. Cool na jungle rat. Enough but. Second. Just cool now. You think me no see you no? Hey. Just cool now. You think me no know you know? Hey. The whole of we dey on ya. We know the same parish now. Don't feel no way, sir. You call me and me no answer. Just cool now. You think me no see you know? Hey. Just cool now. You think me no know you know? Whoa, everywhere I go, it's the same problem. A man say hello when me dip on the go. Just cool now. You think me no see you know? Hey, just cool now. You think me no know you know? Whoa. Me I beg you cool now. Me I beg you cool now. You think me no see you now? You think me no know you? Why? Just cool now. You think me no know you now? Hey, just cool now. You think me no know you know? Why? The whole of we dey on ya. The whole of we are entertainer. No man no bigger than no man. Every man them level sir. Just cool now. You think me no see you now? Hey, just cool now. Mr. Ringo, me I beg you cool now.
Lord of mercy, sin. A circle car we a touchdown scene, uncle. Special request to the man called Brown as the officer. Along the man called Daniel's drunken master. Man called Jigo from Ivory Road scene. And the explosive posse. The man them who live by boom alone. Lord.
Smoke the weed,
Second Albert.
don't smoke the seed.
Think we don't know some boom in their stomach.
Cause if you smoke the seed, you're going to kill the breed.
Second posse. Me say fi second crowd of people you fi second. Me say fi second crowd of people you fi second. Cause every posse. Think me no see you 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 on the Dunkirk posse. Think me no see you on the Jungle List posse. Think me no see you every posse. Think me no see you every posse. Think me no see you on the Dunkirk posse. Think me no see you on the Jungle List posse. Think me no see you on the Uptown posse. Think me no see you on the Matters Lane posse. Think me no see you on the Brook Valley posse. Think me no see you on the Annatown posse. Think me no see you on the Volcano posse. Think me no see you on the Battalion. Think me no see you every posse. Think me no see you say fi circle crowd of people you fi circle. Say circle crowd of people you fi circle. Me say fi circle crowd of people you fi circle. Ringo from the mic, me said that bubble me a bubble. Me bubble like a water a boil up in a kettle. Say me and Charles coming like a Eckle and Jekyll. Me face of what me white gal face full of freckle. Her accent so deep she sound like when foul a cackle. Now me have the mic, me said that chuckle me a chuckle. Colonel Josie will sexy like Pepsi Cola buckle. Now jacket the bunker scene, a second scene. Right now the Colonel Josie Wheels always a talk about settlement. But I build up the lyrics called settlement. I lyric is not just have a word settle. It have body. It's a general screeching. Macca settle. Cut the rounds. Cool now, James Bond.
Smoke the weed,
Carlton, Ghost, we know it's in the road by business in a scene.
Bike pass
if
Rana.
you smoke the seed,
Keep
you're going to
whining.
kill the breed. Hey,
Ka bike pass. Think me no see your bike pass. Think me no see you on the Dunkirk posse. Think me no see you on the Jungle List posse. Think me no see you on the People posse. Think me no see you on the Ken Cat posse.
Hey,
Think me no see you on the posse.
hey,
Think me no see you on the Classic posse.
hey,
Think me no see you on the Metro posse. Lord. Think me no see you on the Rockport.
Wagwan ENT.